So whether the Manjaris are standing right beside Radharani or whether they're 40 kilometers away carrying a message to Krishna or spying on Krishna or looking where's Chandravali or whatever, doing different sevas, they always in Radharani's heart, they have pranaya. Radharani's always in their heart and they're always in the heart of Radharani. It's like a telepathy. Like, people communicate by minds. Sometimes one brother's in England, one twin brother's in England, another twin brother's in Mayapur. And then the twin brother in Mayapur, he thinks, oh, I feel some pain. I think my brother's in difficulty. And then he calls London and he says, oh, your brother's in the hospital. He says, oh, how it happened? Even in this plane, even now in this world, we have what's called mental telepathy. People connecting with each other, visually seeing or understanding each other's experiences or moods or situations. It can happen. What to speak of Radharani and the Manjaris and their Satchidananda Deha, Satchidananda Siddhaswarup. So there's no question of difference in feeling. They don't have a separate agenda. The Manjaris' hearts they're chalkboard for Radharani. Whatever written on her heart, whatever you write on her heart, whatever is written on her heart is written on their hearts. So they feel whatever Radharani feels. That's why their bhava, they're in Madhurya Rati, because they're assisting the amorous, loving intimacies of Radha and Krishna. They serve them, but their mood is bhavalas rati. Bhavalas rati means their loving mood, rati, loving attachment, is ulas, it's delighted and it expands and increases with the bhavas of Radharani. When her bhavas rise, their bhava rises. However her heart moves, their hearts move, because there's no difference. The Manjaris are so intimate and so tightly connected with Radharani. Sometimes the analogies are used, they say they're like the shadow of Radharani. You can't separate your shadow from your form. So there's not really any difference in feelings, because the only feelings they know are the feelings of Radharani. It's not like Radharani has one set of, Radharani's feeling one way and they're feeling another way. Or Radharani's feeling one degree of happiness and Manjaris are feeling another way. There's no Bhed. Bhed means difference. That's the very highest level of melting together of minds and hearts. That's a oneness of mind and heart. There's no separation.